Okay, for next exercise, I want to create a neon color in this picture with my brush tool. So before everything, I create a new layer, then I double click in my layer. After that, I'm going to other glow. So you can change some part of this setting and don't limit yourself in these options. For example, I told you can put your spray a number between 20 to 50. You can change it if you want. I don't know. You can change every setting for create a beautiful and nice neon brush. So some part like noise or jitter should be always off, but another setting you can change it. For this session, I want to choose a purple color like this, then I click OK, and my brush is active. So just to increase my brush size a little, so, and I think it's good. I try it. Yes, it's good. Just I zoom in a little, zoom to my dress. I want to create a cover around my dress. My dress is a light purple and my brush color is white, so my brush effect and my neon color is purple. So I create a little brush. Yeah, it's very big, my size is big, so I want to decrease it. Yeah, it's better. Yes, good. So I need to a little zoom more. Okay, with my brush I brush around my dress. Very good. I brush to every detail because I want to create a paint effect and I want to create an artificial one. Good. Okay. I brush another layer. Very good. Some detail is very important because convert to your project to a best one. For example, this line. Maybe you think it's not important, but it was. Very good. And my color is very nice. I love it. I connect some line together and I connect these. So I double click to my hand tool. Yes, it is good. Actually it's like a neon painting, and after that I want to create some line around this body and hairs. So my layer number 1 is for dress and with purple color. For another color, you have to create a new layer, and by double click on it, set your outglow to another color. For example, I want to create a light yellow. Yes, it's good. So I click OK, and you can change some part of this setting, but now I don't want it. Just click OK. And with my brush and a little zoom, I drawing very easily. My spread, I think it's very well, but it's not good. I press Ctrl plus Z to remove this, and by double click to my outglow effect, I decrease my size, then click OK. I try it, yeah, it's better, but my shadow is not appearance. I click Ctrl plus Z, then I double click to my outglow and decrease my spread, and then click OK. Yeah, it's better. So I draw some part of body like there. And here. And there. And a little in the hair. Okay, and there. I double click in hand tool and let's see it. Very good. If you want to remove some part of your neon shadow by eraser tool, you can remove there. For example, I want to remove there. Yeah, it's okay. I want to remove there. I remove it. Very good. And if you want to create some more hair, you can create more than me. Okay, I think it's done, and I want to show you before and after. In my history panel, it's before without any neon color or brushing, and then it's after. Very nice, I love it. So in next exercise, I want to create some neon color with my brush here. First, create a new layer by double click on it. Go to the outglow and select your color, for example to pink. Yeah, pink. My neon color is pink, yellow, red, or every color as you want, but your brush color is always white and don't change it. So I think this is good. My size is 110, or I click OK, but if I want I can change it again. My brush is active. Yeah, I think it's good. Just I want to a little zoom my dress by my brush. I brush it very easily. Good. I brush every detail because the details make your art artificially. Very good. Okay, sometimes you brush with any color and after that you feel it's not good and it's not beautiful. You can change it. How? By double click in your outglow effect, you can change your brush color. For example, go to the blue and set it to blue or dark blue, I don't know, like me. And I think it's good. Then click OK and OK. After that, by double click in hand tool, you can see this, and you can put every neon brushing in your picture. I don't know, you have a lot of idea, you are full of idea. Okay, very good. Thank you for my watching video tutorial. This tutorial is done, and thank you and thanks goodness.